Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the most delicious chocolate chip cookies. These chocolate chip cookies are a great balance. It's a mixture of chewy, soft, and crunchy. Good to die for. So if you're craving something sweet, then this is the recipe for you. So stay tuned. 1 cup of brown sugar.
1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons of vanilla.
Now add your 3/4 cups of melted butter and just mix it all together. We're going to use 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, so let's do that real quick. So now that you got your eggs, you're going to slowly mix everything together. Don't over mix this, just mix it enough so that everything is incorporated. Move our butter mixture into a bigger bowl.
Sift together 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Now take your time and incorporate your flour, just a little bit at a time.
Do not overmix this.
I'm just going to add the rest of the flour.
This is how the dough should look after mixing.
So now you get your chocolate chips. I'm using the mini ones. We take our time and fold these chocolate chips in.
Use about 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips and just slowly fold it into the dough. Now take 1 tablespoon of cookie dough and place it on a baking sheet and make sure they're at least 1 inch or 2 apart.
Look at these cookies, you guys. Looks so amazing. Now for my favorite part, you guys, is the taste test. Let's taste these cookies. So if you're craving for cookies and you're looking for something homemade, crispy but yet kind of soft too and chewy, and then these are the cookies for you. They are so good. If you like this recipe, and if you do, please leave a comment below and let me know how they came out. I make new recipes every week and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.